Students, now we will do page number 10. I am showing you one great personality in the textbook. Now see, who is he? William Jones. Now William Jones, as I told you, he had a great interest to learn Sanskrit, and he was telling that Sanskrit is the mother of all language, and he translated many Sanskrit books in German language. Yes. Now today we will deal, that is the next topic, that is nationalistic historiography. Now what do you mean by nationalistic historiography? The persons, those who have great interest towards their country and they do everything good for the country. They write books for the country. Okay. That is the person, those who write history, Indian history are known as historians. Okay. Now some of the Indian people, they studied and were trained in the British educational system. Now some of our great leaders, okay, they studied in the British educational system and they were trained also. Yes, and later on they restored our Indian pride of the ancient glory of India and the self-confidence of Indian readers. Now nationalistic writings in Maharashtra was inspired by Vishnu Shastri Chipulkar. In Maharashtra, the nationalistic or the historian, those who were inspired to write the history books about our India, they were inspired by whom? Vishnu Shastri Chipulkar. Okay. Now he criticized the prejudice of ancient history written by the British officers. That means our Indian historian or Vishnu Shastri Chipulkar did not like the writings of the British officers, because British officers, they did not appreciate about the Indian history. The Britishers were blaming India and they were ignoring the truth of Indian ancient history. Okay, and later on so many people took part in the Indian historian period and started to write the good things about the Indian history. So I read for you, you just pay attention to the book. The writings of Indian historian were trained in the British educational system shows an inclination to restore the pride in the ancient glory of India and self-esteem of the Indian readers. Their writings are known as nationalistic historiography. Nationalistic writings in Maharashtra were inspired by Vishnu Shastri Chipulkar. He criticized the prejudiced history of ancient India written by British officers. The nationalistic historian tried to seek the golden era of Indian history. They are at times blamed for ignoring the critical analysis of the historical truth. Mahadev Govind Ranade, Ram Krishna Gopal Bhandarkar, Vinay Damodar Savarkar, Ramlal Mishra and many others we are having in page number 11. Now see Ramesh Chandra Majumdar, then Kashi Prasad Jaiswal, Radha Mukund Mukherjee, Bhagwan Lal Indraji, Vasu Dev Vishnu Mirashi, and Anant Sadashiv Atilkar are the names of some renowned scholar among the nationalistic historian. That means whatever name I have read for you now, they are known as the nationalistic historian because they have written great books on the Indian history. Okay, this much for today.